the most popular and frequently used HTML element is a div element. Now, the primary purpose of the div element is to serve as a container. So you can have a div and you can have anything inside div. So have multiple elements inside div. So to organize other elements or to group other elements as one, or say have different sections. So if I have something like this is the first text. Now if you see, the text is immediately inside the div element, and like the HTML principles, the text is being shown. Now let's say instead of having it here, I'm going to have a heading tag. Heading tag, I'm going to say Tom Cruise. So heading tags and this paragraph tags, these are also block elements. Let's say this biggest commercial hit was the Top Gun. Now if you could see, I have these two inside this div container. So I'm trying to sort of group this, organize this, align this. So these two are basically the div's child. So if I move whatever style that I apply to this div, it also gets applied to here. So we'll see a sibling for this div. See, I actually made like 3 sections. You could also try to remove this and have these two alone, like without these divs. We could do that, but then to organize it might become difficult. We are going to see how the styles are applied for one div, so that if a style is being applied for one div, we'll see how that can be applied for other divs too in the future videos. So for now, you have to understand div is basically a container. If you have text within it, you will see the text, or else you can have other elements too, and you can have siblings for div and like group them again and again. So you could do that.